We live here?
Watermelon. Watermelon. Go.
Good, huh? Hey, it's time to occupy the green parrot. Occupy the green parrot. Here's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the lack of things that have changed around here. So when I say something, you say it back. So like right now I'm going to say one. Okay, here we go. We're ready. That was our dress rehearsal. Green parrot has been avoiding progress since 1890. Green parrot never has a cover. No wonder. Get off the fool train. Get on the soul train. We all wanna be green parrot dance instructors. If you ain't got nothing, you got nothing to lose. So we may be going broke as long as you are occupying the green parrot. There is no sniveling. I'm going to say something worth repeating. Is there an echo in here? Stop saying what I'm saying. What's next? It's party! One more. Smirk. Smirk. Once. Royalties.
Full tactical outfit at home. I gotta look.
I know.
I even have a